Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is Rush Creek Creations Fishing Rod. If you're tired of leaning rods against the wall or dealing with tangled lines, this rod holder is a fantastic investment. Whether you're storing your gear in a garage, shed, or boat, it delivers excellent value for its price. One of the best aspects of this rod holder is its universal compatibility. Whether you use spinning rods, bait casting rods, or even fly fishing rods, this rack can accommodate them securely without slipping or leaning. Fits most rod types, works with freshwater and saltwater rods, suitable for various locations, garage, shed, boat, or fishing cabin, organized and tangle-free storage, keeps rods separated and damage-free. If you have a collection of rods for different fishing conditions, this holder helps keep everything neatly arranged and ready to use. With a compact vertical design, this rod holder takes up minimal space while maximizing storage capacity. The integrated tackle box storage slots are a huge bonus, allowing you to keep your fishing essentials neatly organized. Compact footprint saves space in garages, sheds, and boats. Built-in tackle box storage holds up to 4 standard-sized tackle boxes. Easy access to rods keeps your fishing gear neatly displayed and within reach. The vertical design ensures that your rods stay upright. Our second best surf fishing rods is Fiblink Surf Spinning Fishing Rod. One of the standout features of the Fiblink surf rod is its high-quality carbon fiber construction. This material provides an exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, making the rod light yet incredibly strong. High-density carbon fiber blank, lightweight, strong, and durable. Reinforced construction withstands the stress of long-distance casting. Corrosion-resistant stainless steel guides ensures smooth line flow and durability. The carbon fiber build reduces overall weight, making it easier to cast for long hours without fatigue. Despite being lightweight, it can handle big fish and strong surf conditions with ease. The Fiblink surf rod is designed for all-day fishing comfort. Non-slip rubber shrink tube handle provides a firm and comfortable grip. Ergonomic reel seat securely holds your spinning reel in place. Balanced weight distribution reduces fatigue during long casting sessions. The handle design allows for excellent control, even when fighting strong fish in tough surf conditions. For anglers who travel or need easy storage options, the multi-piece design is a game changer. Breaks down into 2, 3, or 4 pieces. Easy to transport and store. Comes with a protective bag. Keeps the rod safe during travel. Perfect for beach trips, pier fishing, or road trips. Despite being a multi-piece rod, it maintains good strength and sensitivity, comparable to a one-piece rod. Whether you need a portable surf rod. Third pick in our list is Ghosthorn Fishing Rod. The Ghosthorn Fishing Rod holder can store up to 16 rods, accommodating various rod sizes and types. Whether you have spinning rods, bait casting rods, or fly fishing rods, this stand can handle them all. Holds up to 16 rods, ideal for large fishing gear collections. Wide slot design, compatible with different rod styles. Evenly spaced holders prevents rods from tangling. The spacing between rod slots is well thought out, ensuring that rods don't overlap or get tangled. For anglers who want a well-organized, space-saving, and durable way to store their fishing rods, the Ghosthorn Fishing Rod holder is a fantastic investment. This 360-degree rotating floor stand can hold up to 16 fishing rods, making it an ideal storage solution for garages, basements, and man caves. Made from wood, this rack not only offers stability and durability, but also adds a sleek and professional look to your fishing gear collection. One of the standout features of this rod holder is its sturdy wood construction. Unlike plastic alternatives, the wood finish gives it a premium appearance that blends well in a garage, cabin, or fishing lodge. High-quality wood construction, durable and aesthetically pleasing. 360-degree rotating base. Easily access any rod without moving others. Stable floor stand, keeps rods upright and secure. The wooden design ensures longevity, while the smooth rotation makes it easy to grab the rod you need without hassle. Number 4 in our side is Ugly Stik GX2 Casting Fishing Rod. One of the biggest strengths of the GX2 is its rugged construction. Ugly Stik rods have a reputation for being nearly indestructible, and the GX2 lives up to that name. Graphite and fiberglass composite offers a perfect balance of strength and flexibility. One-piece stainless steel guides, no inserts to pop out, reducing maintenance issues. Clear tip design enhances sensitivity for detecting light bite. The combination of graphite and fiberglass makes it lightweight yet incredibly tough, ensuring that the rod can handle hard-fighting fish without breaking. The GX2 casting rod is designed for comfort and ease of use, ensuring a great experience for long fishing trips. EVA foam grips, lightweight, comfortable, and durable. Well-balanced design, feels comfortable in hand for all-day fishing. Multiple length and power options, suitable for different fishing styles. The EVA grips provide a firm, non-slip grip, even when wet, making it an excellent rod for all weather conditions. While the GX2 is renowned for its durability, it also provides excellent performance and sensitivity. Moderate to fast action, great for a variety of fishing techniques. Good backbone for fighting fish, can handle aggressive strikes with ease. Number 5. In our top 5 best surf fishing rods list is Ugly Stik 5-foot GX2 spinning rod. Ugly Stik's reputation for unmatched durability is well earned, and the GX2 6'6" spinning rod continues that tradition. The combination of graphite and fiberglass makes this rod both lightweight and durable, providing strong backbone while offering some flexibility to absorb powerful strikes. The clear fiberglass tip enhances sensitivity, allowing you to detect the lightest bites, which is important for a variety of fishing techniques. These guides are corrosion resistant and help with smooth line movement, even under tough conditions. The GX2 rod can withstand hard-fighting fish without showing wear, making it a perfect choice for both beginning and seasoned anglers. Despite its durability, the Ugly Stik GX2 offers excellent performance and responsiveness, making it an ideal choice for medium power fishing. The moderate fast action provides a great balance between casting distance and hook setting power, making it effective for a wide range of species. With a 6 to 15 pound line rating and 1/8 to 5/8 ounce lure rating, this rod is versatile enough to handle various fishing conditions, from light freshwater fishing to light saltwater applications. The GX2 works well with techniques like drop shotting, crankbaiting, and spinnerbaits while providing enough back.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.